In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook emails with Gmail. We'll set things up so Gmail can pull your Outlook messages into your inbox, organize them with a label if you want, and keep them encrypted in transit. This uses POP3, which means Gmail will periodically fetch emails from your Outlook account. It's great for centralizing your mail in one place. Start by going to gmail.com and signing into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Quick Settings pane, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page, then select the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail manages mail from other accounts. Scroll down until you see the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts, and click Add a Mail Account. A small window will open. Type your full Outlook email address exactly as it appears, then click Next. On the next screen, select Import Emails from My Other Account POP3, and click Next again. Now you'll enter the connection details. For username, use your full Outlook email address. For password, enter the password you use for that Outlook account. If your Outlook account uses extra security, you may need an app-specific password from your provider. For the POP server, enter either outlook.office365.com or popmail.outlook.com, depending on what your Outlook setup requires. For port, choose the one your server supports. 995 is the standard for secure POP3 and is recommended, while 110 is the non-encrypted option. Make sure to check Always Use a Secure Connection SSL so your emails are encrypted while they're being fetched. You can also choose whether Gmail should leave a copy of retrieved messages on the Outlook server. Leaving a copy is helpful if you still access Outlook elsewhere. If you uncheck it, Gmail will move messages off the Outlook server as it imports them. Consider enabling the option to label incoming messages from this account so they're easy to spot and manage inside Gmail. When everything looks correct, click Add Account. Gmail will begin fetching your Outlook emails in the background. The initial import can take some time if you have a lot of messages. After a few minutes, check your inbox or the label you chose to see the new mail arriving. If you encounter an error, double-check the server name, port, and SSL box, and confirm that POP access is allowed on your Outlook account, especially for work or school accounts. That's it. Your Outlook emails will now sync into Gmail automatically.